Okay, hey everyone. Remember the other penguin video that I was trying to do? I couldn't finish it because the internet wasn't working. So I'm a little ahead, so I'll give you a little bit of time so you can draw it. So it looks like you're finished. Right now I'm drawing the black. Right now I'm going to do an highlight for the eyebrows with banana. Smells so good. Smell it. Okay, now let's go and draw. I'm in color. I only made 3 videos to complete the penguin, so I'm not gonna do it very often. Or maybe I will, I don't know yet. Right now I'm 7. Maybe when I grow up I will get to do more stuff. Okay, let's do the fins also.